Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into another exciting video, so make sure to stick around till the end. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on any of my future uploads. Alright, let's get started. What is insurance? Insurance is the legal agreement between the insured person and the insurance company, in which the insured pays a premium amount, and the insurance company promises to cover the insured person against any financial losses in the future. Types of insurance policies. All the different types of insurance, such as health insurance, term insurance, motor insurance, children's education insurance, etc., can be divided into two categories. Hence, we can say there are two types of insurance in India. One is general insurance, and second one is life insurance. General insurance, also known as non-life insurance, is a type of insurance that provides insurance coverage for losses or damages to property. In this type of insurance, the insurance company reimburses you for the damages or expenses incurred. It includes different types of insurance, such as motor insurance, health insurance, fire insurance, etc. Life insurance is the type of insurance that provides insurance coverage for your life. It ensures the financial well-being of your loved ones in the case of your unfortunate demise. In this type of insurance, you or your nominee receive a fixed benefit per the policy terms. It includes different life insurance plans such as term insurance, whole life, endowment, money back, and unit-linked insurance plans. Everyone holds 3 policies such as 1. Life insurance, 2. Health insurance, and 3. Vehicle insurance. Health insurance is bought to cover medical costs for expensive treatments. Different types of health insurance policies cover an array of diseases and ailments. You can buy a general health insurance policy as well as policies for specific diseases. The premium paid towards a health insurance policy usually covers treatment, hospitalization and medication costs. In today's world, a vehicle insurance is an important policy for every vehicle owner. This insurance protects you against any untoward incident like accidents. Some policies also compensate for damages to your vehicle during natural calamities like floods or earthquakes. It also covers third-party liability where you have to pay damages to other vehicle owners. What are the tax benefits on insurance? Apart from the safety and security benefits of buying insurance, there are also the income tax benefits that you can avail. Life insurance premium of up to 1,50,000 can be claimed as a tax-saving deduction under Section 80C. Medical insurance premium of up to 25,000 rupees for yourself and your family and 25,000 rupees for your parents can be claimed as a tax-saving deduction under Section 80D. These claims have to be made at the time of filing income tax returns. Conclusion of this video. Be it life insurance, health insurance or general insurance, you can buy an insurance policy offline as well as online. Just like there are insurance agents who will help you buy a policy, there are websites as well that you can buy a policy. Once check in policybazaar.com. According to your requirement, defense personnel also eligible to buy a policy, but only 2 or 3 companies are there. Ensure that you have done your research before choosing and investing in an insurance policy. We value and appreciate your feedback and suggestions. Feel free to share your thoughts, ideas, and opinions in the comments section below. However, we ask that all comments remain respectful and constructive. Let's keep the conversation positive and engaging for everyone. Thank you for being a part of our community.